Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Authenticator for Exchange login security step by step clearly. Open the Google Authenticator app on your device. If you haven't already, log into your Exchange account in a web browser. Navigate to the security settings of your account. Locate the section for two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on the option to update or change your authentication method. You may need to enter your current authentication code. Once verified, select the option to add a new device or application. On the screen that appears, you will see a QR code. Open the Google Authenticator app. Tap on the plus sign or add account in the app. Select the option to scan a QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code on your Exchange account screen. Wait for the app to recognize the code and automatically add your account. Alternatively, you can choose the option to enter a setup key manually. If you choose to enter the key, copy it from your Exchange account. Paste the key into the Google Authenticator app input field. After adding your account, you will see a new 6-digit code generated in the app. Return to your Exchange account and enter the code displayed in the Google Authenticator app. Confirm the code within the specified time limit. Once confirmed, your Google Authenticator should now be fully updated. Ensure the new setup works by logging out and trying to log back in. If successful, you have completed the update process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.